The TS100 has exciting features. This machine is twice as productive than conventional machines, compatible with SV610 ink bottles, and has reliable technologies for stable output. Equipped with high-speed ink supply system, which allows you to print up to 753 square feet an hour. This is our first machine that uses bottle ink for sublimation transfer system, which reduces running costs. This machine offers reliable technologies for stable output, utilizing functions such as maps, Nozzle Check Unit, Nozzle Recovery System, and Printhead Selectable. The maps function reduces visible banding and uneven color printing with blurred boundaries similar to gradation printing. Nozzle Check Unit automatically monitors the performance of the printhead and detects clogged nozzles. Nozzle Check automatically detects nozzle status. Nozzles are automatically cleaned. If nozzle clogs are not eliminated after cleaning, NRS allows the printer to continue printing. Clogged nozzles are automatically detected and cleaned without interruption. With Printhead Selectable, if the nozzles cannot be recovered after performing a Nozzle Recovery System application, cleaning, or nozzle cleaning, it is possible to continue printing with only one printhead. RIP Software's TX-Link4 or RasterLink7 can be selected even for this entry model. TX-Link4 Edition allows you to achieve more beautiful gradation, and print jobs can be automatically distributed to multiple identical printers, therefore optimizing your workflow. Parallel RIP improves the utilization rate during continuous printing, and up to 8 jobs can be processed in parallel. RasterLink7 has 3 new features that enhances functionality and the fineness of prints. The high-speed feature shortens the process time of PDF data for increased productivity. The second feature is variable print, which allows you to fill out templates to create variable data images. The third feature is favorite function, which is an updated favorites integration. For more information, contact your local dealer or visit our website at mimakiusa.com.